Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open settings and install pending updates. Once done, reboot so search components reload. Next, open services. MSC and make sure Windows Search and Cortana are running and set to automatic. If not, change them and start the services. Then open an elevated PowerShell and run a re-register command to refresh the search index and app registrations. This resets corrupted bindings and often clears startup failures. Once initial steps complete, rebuild the search index and verify file integrity. Open indexing options, pause indexing if running, then choose Rebuild so Windows recatalogs files. This fixes missing search results. While it rebuilds, run chkdsk on the system drive and sfc/scano to repair corrupt system files that break search. Make sure NTFS permissions on the Windows folder and your user profile allow the search service access. Incorrect permissions will block indexing and result retrieval. To finish, refresh the UI and verify results. Restart Windows Explorer or sign out and sign back in so the shell reloads search bindings, then test search queries. Run the built-in search and indexing troubleshooter from settings to apply automated fixes and check specific failing scenarios. If problems persist, create a new local user to test. This isolates profile corruption. One key troubleshooting tip. If search fails after updates, roll back the latest update or use system, restore to a point when search worked.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.